Hey guys, I got this little dash cam here, so let's take a look at it. I'm gonna use it in my Cayman to help protect me on the road from any potential lawsuits or any crap like that. In case anyone hits me, there will be no disputing what happens once I show video evidence in court. So pick up this little dash cam on Amazon. I think it's about 50 bucks. It seems to have some good features. I like the G sensor thing, so if the car is parked and it's set on 24-hour record, if it detects any bumps or hits, it'll start recording. And the quality seems to be really good, so let's take a look. Let's open this thing up and see what we got inside. This is basically it. I've already looked at it a little bit, so here it is. This is basically the camera. It looks like there's a sticky piece here, and you just kind of stick it right up there on your windshield and it records for you. So let's give it a try. All right, so I'm downloading this app on my phone. I have it kind of jerry-rigged. I just stuck it up on the windshield there. Hopefully I can find a way to hide this cable. I just have it going into my center armrest there. So let's see if we can actually pair this up using Wi-Fi. We'll see. This is my first time doing it right now. So if you look on the screen there, it actually shows you the password. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll go ahead and try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so there's a live stream of the view in front of me from the camera. So that's actually pretty cool. Looks to be pretty good quality. I'll try and get some audio footage now with it, and I'll put it into this video, assuming I can get it working. If not, I may have to go format the SD card, but this is pretty cool. There's a lot of different settings here for the video, so you can choose different resolutions. You can up the exposure if you're in a really dark area, motion detection, the loop recording, so it'll record only 1 minute over itself over and over. So pretty cool. There's a lot of different things. You can change the password for it and what it's called. So that's pretty nice. I appreciate that they actually do that, because I know a lot of dash cam footage is actually pretty lame. So this is pretty cool that they allow you to customize it. Hey guys, this is Chris. I'm back with another day here, but I did actually get a proper micro SD card in the dash cam. So I have it right now connected to my phone. So I'm sitting here in a parking garage, and basically all you need is a class 10 micro SD card. I just got a cheap little 32 gigabyte SanDisk one. I'll post a link in the description below for you guys. And I've been using this the past few days, and it seems to be working pretty well. I'll post some footage from it in the video, but yeah, pretty much everything that you saw so far in the video is accurate. You can connect to it via streaming and everything like that, and change a lot of different settings. So I have it set to 1080p. I have it on a 5-minute loop record, and there's just a ton of other different great settings here. So very easy. You basically just connect to it via Wi-Fi, and then to put it back into camera mode, there's the power button on the side. You just click it, and now it's back. And you guys can see up at the top, it is starting to record. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. I can make some more videos of it if you guys would like. I know Peztio wants to send me another version of the camera. I'll probably make a video of. But yeah, this is a really, really good option for you guys for cheap, and it does some really high quality videos. So I'll post some footage of it now, and you guys can have a look.